So over here, you can see that I got a basic organization chart. So what I want to do is I want to insert pictures of the employees. So you can see that these are the employee hierarchy, and one is Sally Bird, Dave Singh, and Ronald Dan. So I'm going to go into insert right here. I'm not selecting any shape. I'm going to go to insert right here, and here you have an option to insert multiple pictures. And I'm going to go into my Tutu drive over here for that, and I'm going to go into pictures right here. And then here are my organization chart pictures. So once I do that, I can simply click open right here, and you can see that both of the images are actually there. So the thing that happened was that Sally Bird and Dave Singh was the exact file name of the images that I chose. So over here, in case of Ronald, there was no image in the folder. So I can actually go to insert right here and select the picture. So you don't see any pictures when inserting multiple pictures, but here you actually get to choose the pictures that you want to add in. So in this case, in IT Manager, I'm just going to add in this picture right here, click open, and the picture will be applied over here. But I don't want any picture right here, so I'm going to select this, and over here you can see that there's an option to show and hide pictures. So I'm going to click this, and the picture is hidden right here. So there's also picture editing options. So if I were to click this and click this again, the picture is actually there. So I'm going to go into format, and here you can see that I can work with brightness right here. So I can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. So I'm going to go for normal right here, and I can adjust the contrast. So increase the contrast or decrease the contrast right here, increase the contrast right here. You can also go for auto balance, that will balance out everything. I'm just going to undo that out. And I also have an option to compress the pictures. I can lower the quality to save file size. So if I were to do that, the quality change is not much seen right away. So you have other options as well. You can use the crop tool. So actually zoom it in into specific areas, just like this. Let me hold just like this, and then I can click elsewhere. I can click this, I can resize that out. So you can see that I can crop out images right over here as well. For this one, I'm just going to go into the format menu, crop the image, but drag it down right a bit because some of the headroom is actually cut off. So you can see that you can adjust pictures quite easily by using the tool. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to go to format. Maybe I want to increase the contrast a bit right here, just like that, so the pictures match up. So that is how you can work with employee pictures inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.